Hi guys, this is Julio from Datalix, and today I'm going to guide you through our platform and how to detect or reach our website that are using Shopify and Shopify Plus as an e-com platform. So this is the homepage of the platform, and we can see here all the filters that you can use at this platform. So for today, we are focusing on Shopify and Shopify Plus technologies. So for this specific task, is gonna help us out this section here called technologies. So we go at this specific filter and we click add plus to enter the specific technologies that we are going to reach out or filter for. So we filter for Shopify and Shopify Plus, as we mentioned previously, and we click Add Search. And as we can see here, we are shown over 100,000 information websites regarding Shopify and Shopify Plus merchants out there. We can see here a bunch of information regarding the website. And for example, if we open one of them, we are shown the specific page of the website, which we can further check all their detail and information regarding the website. So as we can see here, we have Tupperware, and we have information regarding taglines. We have headquarters of the company. We have which type of industry this website and company is associated with. We have annual revenue of the website itself. We have employee count. And also, if we can see on the right side, we are shown the SEO score, accessibility of the website, best practice, and performance overall of the website itself. Down below, we have the technology section, which we are focusing today, and we can see that it is using Shopify Plus as an active technology, but we have also information about which type of technology they were using previously to Shopify, and we can see that they were using Shopify Plus previously, and it is inactive as a technology right now, as shown here due to the new platform that they switched with, Shopify. We can also detect other technologies that the website is using as foremost payments. We have advertisement and analytics and other information regarding other technologies that this website is using. So for today, this is all. Hope this is useful and have a nice day.